Picture a world where what you consume not only fills your stomach, but also provides you with all the energy and nutrients your body requires for optimal health. Sounds incredible, doesn't it? We welcome you to the wonderful world of pulses and cereals, two of the most valuable food groups providing nourishment to humans for thousands of years. These unassuming grains and legumes are more than a side dish. They serve as the foundation of healthy diets all over the world. Today, we are going to learn what makes pulses and cereals so special, how we prepare them, and why they are necessary to our health. You will finish this journey seeing your everyday meals through a whole new experience. Part 1. The nutritive value of cereals. Let's review cereals. Cereal foods like rice, wheat, corn, and oats that many people enjoy every day. These grains have worth beyond how simple they are and the nutrients they contain to keep our healthy bodies working. Cereals are primarily made up of carbohydrates, which are literally used as fuel to help our bodies function. The moment you eat a bowl of rice or a slice of bread, your body begins breaking down the carbohydrates into glucose, the body's form of sugar, so that it can use the energy glucose produces for running and even thought. But that is not all cereals are. There are also proteins. Proteins are the building blocks of muscles and tissue. You can think of proteins as bricks in a house. Bricks make up the house. Without them, you could not build. In cereals, proteins are located in the outer layers of the grain, the bran and the germ. Wheat, for example, has a specific protein known as gluten that is responsible for dough's ability to stretch, which also makes it perfect for bread. Cereals contain a bit of lipid or fat, both of which play a vital role in absorbing vitamins and maintaining the health of our cells. The bran and germ layers of cereals are full of these good fats, as well as essential vitamins and minerals. For example, whole grains such as brown rice and whole wheat provide a rich source of B vitamins, along with iron and zinc, which are important sustenance for health. Expanding upon cooking methods, cereal can be converted into different tasty and nutritious foods through various cooking methods. Rice can be boiled, steamed, or puffed for snacks. Cooking rice causes the heat to force the starches to absorb the water content and swell, aiding in the grain's ability to become soft and fluffy. Furthermore, this method improves the body's access to the nutrient content of rice. In contrast, wheat can be milled into flour for a variety of products, including bread and pasta. The grade of wheat and how it's processed affects the degree of nutrition in each finished product. Whole wheat flour, for example, draws its nutritional value from the bran and germ in wheat flour, where refined white flour would lose this benefit. Health benefits when consuming cereals. Cereals are not only healthy, they provide tremendous nourishment. The fiber content alone is enough to encourage a well-functioning digestive system and alleviate constipation or halt its onset. Fiber also assists in the ability to control blood sugar and lower cholesterol levels, resulting in decreased heart disease risk. In addition, the complex carbohydrates found in cereals, whether whole grain or not, will enable a slow and steady release of energy vital to your regular daily function. Because of this, eating cereals like oats or whole wheat in the morning for breakfast will assist your ability to accomplish desired activities throughout the day. Part 2. Nutritional content of pulses. Nutritional content of pulses. Pulses are also a good source of dietary fiber. Having enough fiber is good for digestion and gut health. Fiber helps food move smoothly through the digestive tract and is an important part of preventing constipation and other digestive issues. Fiber also contributes to blood glucose control, making pulses an excellent alternative for individuals with diabetes. Pulses are also high in vitamins and minerals. For example, many pulses are high in B vitamins, which convert food into energy for the body to use. Pulses are also high in iron, which is a component of red blood cells and is used to prevent anemia. Pulses contain potassium and magnesium to assist with blood pressure regulation and are associated with heart health. Cooking with pulses. One of the best things about pulses would be their versatility in the kitchen. You can boil, mash, sprout, or mill them into flour. Cooking pulses makes them easier to digest and enhances their flavor and nutritional value. For example, beans are easier to digest after they've been soaked and boiled prior to consumption, and nutrients such as iron are also more accessible to our body after soaking and boiling. There are numerous ways to incorporate pulses into your meals. including salads, spreadable dips, soups, and stews. Chickpeas, for example, can be blended and used as a spreadable dip called hummus that is delicious, easy to make, and a great source of protein and fiber. Lentils can be cooked into a thick, flavorful dal, a staple dish in many South Asian traditions. The possibilities for pulses in meals are endless. Health benefits of pulses. In addition to being nutritious and delicious, pulses are healthy and benefit your body in various ways. Pulses are low in fat and are therefore good for promoting heart health. Pulses contain high amounts of fiber, low amounts of fat, combine attractive plant-based proteins, and therefore make an excellent choice for managing weight. Being high in fiber, pulses delay feelings of hunger and reduce overeating. In particular, pulses have a low glycemic index, which indicates the rate at which sugar is released in the bloodstream. Pulses contain sugars that are released slowly, and having even energy and sugar levels in the body is especially important when concerned with diabetes. Pulses also are high in antioxidants, which help protect the body and tissues against free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic disease like cancer. Pulses and cereals have strong interactions, and they complement one another well. When you eat them together, pulses and cereals create a complete protein, which incorporates all the required amino acids that our bodies need as a source of protein. Hence, the traditional combinations of rice and beans, lentils and wheat or dal and rice can also be tasty and nutritious meals. For example, rice is low in lysine and high in methionine, while lentils are high in lysine and low in methionine. Eating them together provides our bodies a balanced source of nutrients containing the whole amino acid profile. However, this is particularly important for plant eaters converting pulses and cereals into effective protein sources for meeting their protein needs. So what have we learned on our journey today? Pulses and cereals are much more than simple food items. They are nutritious and important members of our diet. When you eat rice, lentils, or whole wheat bread, you are giving your body the essential vitals so it can live healthy and strong. While you may even have the transportation and variety of food to consume this food daily, the versatility and deliciousness, while nourishing you beyond hunger, could justify continuous repurchases. The next time you are in the kitchen, try different combinations of pulses and cereals. You will likely find a whole range of flavors, and you will be feeding your body in the best possible way. So, enjoy the glory of food, and let pulses and cereals fuel your day, one meal at a time. Do you have any questions or thoughts in regard to today's topic? I'd love to hear them. Leave a comment below. I read everyone. Lastly, if you're new to the channel and want to continue getting more easy-to-understand, science-based food content, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you never miss one of our new videos. And if you want to read more about it, then find the document attached below. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you in the next one.